Assalamu alaikum friends. Today I will discuss earn $20 per day from new earning website. Today I will discuss with your freelancing website. We will discuss that kind of work there is on the website. Writing, voice recording, translator, transcription. There is more work that you can see on the screen. What do I need to work on this website? There are 3 steps to work. The most important thing, number 3, complete certification. If you want to work without a certificate, the amount of work will be less. Getting a certificate is not a big deal, you just have to give a small test. How to sign up from the website? First, select your country. Select city. Select native language. Where do you know about website? I will give the search engine here. If you want, you can give your choice. Enter your name and email address here. When you have entered your email address and password, tick the place shown on the screen. Now a form will open. Below the form, you will see the option to give your signature. Here you sign. Click sign and accept. Do the same again. Click tick mark. Select yes. Now a verification mail will be sent to your email. Click the link. Login with email and password. Click login. Click job. I have 17 job here. You will get more work when you get the certificate. Click certification. From here you can get the certificate. The more certificate you get, the more work you will get. Click survey. What kind of work is there? You can see on this website. Click my profile. Click payment information. Let's talk about payment. There are 2 types of payment method on this website, PayPal and Payoneer. But PayPal has some limitations. You will not be able to accept payment over $300 per year on PayPal. You can take any payment you want from Payoneer. I hope you understand that they have given more importance to Payoneer on this website. Thanks for watching.